getting rid of their energy, coming out, running around, playing, and just having lots of fun rather than going home and sitting in their iPads or cuddling up by themselves individually. They just get to still be out and about, especially on a day like today with the sunshine. So they still get to play in their school groups, so they're still with their friends, they're still building those social connections and still learning to a certain extent because they're still in the school environment, but in just a really relaxed, fun and happy way. And it's nice for us as parents as well to be able to have a natter with other people, other humans. Yeah, it's just good fun. It's only for, well, here 45 minutes after school, but it can make a big difference.
The thing I like most about the stay and play sessions is like obviously seeing the kids interacting. I don't get to see as much like in this capacity, so I work till 6 o'clock. Stay and play's definitely benefited. Like from a social aspect, I would say, in terms of, you know, she gets to stay with her friends. She was excited, really excited today to show me what it's about. Like me and Reece having a conversation now, just catching up with other parents as well. But just seeing the kids playing together, spending time with the other parents, and it's just like we just said, just catching up on things someone we might not even see or cross paths for a few months. You can see them once a week now. Yeah. You know, it's a lot better just to catch up, and even though I'm speaking to a couple of members of staff as well, just, you know, engaging.
Mae fe wedi bod yn lyflu gweld yr plant a rhieni yn cymdeithasu o fewn grwpiau gwahanol a bod oed cymysg wedi gallu cymdeithasu hefyd ar tir yr ysgol. Fi wedi gweld bod y plant hynna wedi elwa yn dod lawr a cymdeithasu gyda'r plant yn llai. Ni wedi cael oedrannau o 2 flwydd oed hyd at 11 yn cymysgu gyda'i gilydd.
A ni wedi clywed bod trafod yn yr ysgol am pwy sy'n aros. Maen nhw'n edrych mlaen i'r sesiynau.
Ydyn.
So hwnna'n positif.
Mae bwrlwm wedi bod rhwng y plant i aros a trafod pwy sy'n aros, pwy sy'n ddim yn aros a beth maen nhw'n mynd i chwarae gyda. Byddwn ni sicr yn gweud bod rhieni yn cytuno bod yn gyfle i nhw'n cymdeithasu a mae rhieni wedi teimlo bod yn saff i'r plant i chwarae o fewn tiroedd yr ysgol.